In human history, there has been this debate about women, females, and animals.
Tani ngacho mun nakbo so tani trang shi bi ne kevna tani ngacho nshok tani yang charik pa khashi da tani chani ru pa khashi ge yang mun nakbo de mun oma mare zi tani shandus.
In the history of Western science too, there have been people who have alleged at times that that African Americans, for example, or black people are somehow inferior.
Rede terang ngacho tani ta tari munakbo to mare zi na tani ngacho chama ge tani chergu chi gres.
However, if something similar was alleged today, then we would all find it absolutely unacceptable.
Tini tin rawaza ka tini nshokun chani ru pa hali ba ka ta jan dikar khorang ka tini ta choksak chola tini namshi yo mare zi tini shandu se tonjola.
Descartes, a very famous Western philosopher, once said that animals don't have souls.
Riti terang ngacho chama ga tini soso rang ga terang ngacho kyoda tini lilita soso ga tini tsola namshi yo mare zi na te soso ga kelen ga mares.
However, if someone were to say that our own dogs and our own cats today don't have souls, then it wouldn't be something that many of us would be able to accept.
Tini ngarang so logi ga tola tini ga norwa ga tini samlo mambo ramba jinta mambo shung yo res.
So in the course of our intellectual history, there have been many stages of erroneous thought.
Yina tini ngacho tini noncher jang ga samlo te so mambo zu ta ngacho gertu jap sarwa res.
Many of these erroneous thoughts we have already addressed and reformed.
Tini ngacho noncher ga tini samlo thama da gang res na tini jamnyim mayim ba ga tini te thama da gang res na tini ngacho matang chokchak ga bar ga tini jamnyim mayim ba te re te ngacho tarta yina tarong ngacho tini samlo to ne gertu jap to yo mares.
But one of the final areas of inequality in terms of our understanding of things is our attitude towards animals. And this is an area that we need urgently to reform.
Yina tini ta ngacho garte maung bala tini ngacho go tini nyarji gomba tang jamnyim go tini thola chama ga samlo tang thna tini ngacho maung ba na chokchak la yang tini kwarang chola tini chogne ga rawang yak bo yoba kwarang chogo toptang yak bo yoba tini zu tini ngacho go tini shithab gres maung ba na.
However, if in the future we're all able to really adopt attitudes of compassion and equality towards animals, then we will automatically recognize their intrinsic rights and their right to survival.
Tini America ga tini mo tini khaipa chi ko tini chokchak jangdur zi ja jefang dongwu zi ja tini ga tepchik tini jin de pe yak bon de.
A Western writer penned a book called Animal Liberation.
Tini nge samlo tangna te nga so nurshok ko rigne ga nang la tini mutso ga tini tenjo la tartang la tini ngerwan robi ngos sambares.
And I regard this book as really the very beginning of a change in attitude towards animals in Western thought.
Tini te nga so yindam banda tini te tin jamnyim mayim ba te yindam banda nga so tini gerchu jab goya zres.
And it's extremely necessary that we reform these attitudes of inequality between humans and animals.
Tini nga so chokchak sola tini nga so tini nyarji me sham nyarji me jamnyim she matagna tini nga so thar di tini samlo to yin rambo kum sona tini nga so mog nang la yang tini jamnyim mayam ba mambo yong gres.
Because if we aren't able to extend this attitude of compassion and equality towards animals, then the ultimate result will be negative repercussions in terms of relations between humans ourselves.
Tini chokchak la tini narchu shiya ga tini te samlo to tini kum sona ti pachak ngamba to kum sona tini nga so shutsoko thola yang te chumgar ga leka mambo le gres.
As a result of our being accustomed to looking down on animals and degrading animals, it's left a great negative impression on us.
Te nga so America ga tini chumkang chi ga nang la te khoso ga tini takshit chi shin dos.